See, this is the next question. See, my dear students, this is the next question. In a survey of 600 students, in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea. Okay, how many students surveyed means total 600 students are survey ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 150 students were found to be taking tea. So tea ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, tea ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ. So 225 taking coffee. So coffee how many? 225. And 100 were taking both tea and coffee. So 100 intersection. And means what? Intersection. Okay. And means intersection. Next, find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Already done this type of problems. Neither tea nor coffee means A dash B dash. Like that you have to think. Understood or not? So for that purpose, so you have to write the data. See, solution. This is a solution. U is equals to set of students in a school. So how many are there? You have to write. U with the universal set. U is the set of students in a school. Survey made, no? Survey for the set of students. That one you have to write. A is equals to set of students taking tea. Okay. A is the set of students taking tea. Okay. And next, B with the set of students taking coffee. So A is the T students, and set of students taking coffee is B, set B. So set A, set B, and U is a universal. Okay. So according to this solution, you have to write the data. How it will be seen? First, N of U is equal to what? How many members are there in the school? 600. Survey made for 600 students. 600 is the N of U. Next, this is over. Next, we will move to the 150. 150 students were found to be taking tea. So therefore, T means what? A. N of A is equals to 150. Next, and 225 taking coffee. 225 coffee. So N of B is equals to 225. N of B is equals to 225. Okay, 225 taking coffee. 100 were taking both tea and coffee. 100 intersection. And means what? Intersection. No. And means intersection. So therefore, N of A intersection B is equals to what? N of A intersection B is equals to 100. 100 is the N of A intersection B. Next, find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Means what? N of A dash intersection B dash we have to calculate. N of A dash intersection B dash we have to calculate. Okay, how to calculate this one? First you have to calculate N of A intersection B is there. No? N of A union B you have to calculate first. N of A union B calculate. N of A union B is equals to, what is the formula? Familiar formula is there. No? What is that formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So this is a familiar formula. No? So many times, so many problems done. Substitute all the values. N of A 150, N of B 225. So 150 plus 225 minus 225 minus 150 plus 225 minus N of A intersection B. A intersection B equals to 100. Okay. So like that we have to write. So 150 plus 225 150. So what is the answer? 150 minus 100, 50 no? This one 50. 50 plus 225. So 275. So therefore answer is 275. So this is not a required answer. N of A union B. This is N of A union B. See, 275. So this is what? N of A union B is equal to 275. But our required answer is what? Neither tea nor coffee means what? N of A dash intersection B dash. This thing we want. N of A intersection B. A intersection A dash intersection B dash. So how to calculate this one? So this is a De Morgan law formula is there. So therefore N of A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. This one formula is there. A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash, one formula is there. This is A union B whole dash. Okay. So A dash, what is the formula for A dash? U minus A. B dash, U minus B. A union B whole dash, U minus A union. U minus A union. Like that. So N is there, right away. So N of U minus N of A union minus N of A. Okay. So therefore, like that you have to write. So N of U is equals to what? N of U is equals to, see here. N of U is equals to 600 is there, no? Write down 600. 600 minus N of A union B. N of A union B is equals to, already calculated, see. This is 275. 275. So 275. Okay. 600 minus 275. So what is answer? 325. So therefore 325 is the answer. So therefore 325 is the answer. Like that we have to calculate. Okay. So like that. So this is the 325 students who are taking neither tea nor coffee. So idrolage coffee nu tagogala 325%. So coffee nu tagogala, tea nu tagogala. So this is the answer. Like that, this is also one of the important questions. Okay na? See my dear students. Idina gurtittkole. So do this one. Okay. This is also one of the important questions. See, next question. Okay, how to do this one as a homework. I will tell how to do this one. My dear students, some students are not doing homework, so some students are doing good. Okay, so after watching this video, I had to do the homework and upload. Okay, so I will watch each and everything. I will watch. Okay, because of some busy, we are not doing. Okay, that's why you have to do your work. Next, this one you have to do the homework. See how to solve this one. I will tell. In a group of students, 100 students know Hindi. 100 students know Hindi. Okay. 100 students know Hindi and 50 know English. Hindi and English. 50 know English. Okay. 25 know both English and Hindi. Intersection part. Each of the student knows either Hindi or English. So therefore there is no necessity of universal sign. So each of the students knows either Hindi or English. Yavado ondo gotti compulsory gotti. Okay. Next, how many students are there? Okay. So no necessity of the universal sign. That's why this statement made. Each of the students knows either Hindi or English. Why are writing like this means? So in some cases you have to write the universal set now. That's why if you made like this means there is no necessity of universal set. So directly you have to. Okay. For that purpose we have to consider like that. So H is equals to set of students who knows Hindi. Who knows Hindi. Hindi gottiro H. Okay. Next, E is the set of students who knows English. Okay. English, how many of set of students? This is called E. H in the E English. So therefore N of H is equals to N of H is equals to what? 100 students knows Hindi. So therefore N of H is equals to 100. N of E English. English how many? 50 know English. So 50. Next, 25 know both. Both means what? Intersection part. That is intersection part. So N of H intersection E. H intersection E is equals to 25. Okay. So each of the students knows either Hindi or English. How many students are there in a group means you have to calculate the union. You have to calculate. Therefore N of H union E. So familiar formula is there. No, N of A union B familiar formula. N of A union B is equals to what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So by using that formula, N of H union E. So therefore N of H plus N of E minus union is there, intersection 100. So N of H intersection E. H intersection E. Okay, like that. So substitute all these values, we will get the answer. So you have to do this one as a homework. Okay, so already done 70% done. You have to substitute all values. Okay, substitute ಮಾಡಿ you will get the answer. Okay na? So next we will see the next question. See next question. This is the next question. Question number 15. So in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. Okay. So 26 read newspaper T. 26 read newspaper T and 26 read newspaper I. Okay. 26 read newspaper I. So 11 read both H and T intersection. And means intersection. 8 read both T and I intersection. 3 read 3 newspapers. Okay, so this is the requirement. Okay, see, so this is one correction. See, in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. 25 people read newspaper H. 26 people newspaper T read. Okay, 9 people. So 26 newspaper T, H T is over. Okay, see my dear students, I will read another time please. So in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, first newspaper H. 26 read newspaper T, second one. Okay, and 26 read newspaper I, third one. So third one I. Okay, 26 newspaper H I and another one is what? T. This one T. So 26 read newspaper T. Okay na? So I and T. H T and I. Okay. So 26 I H T. Next 9 read H and I. 9 read H and I. 11 read both H and T. 8 read both T and I. So 3 read all the 3 newspapers intersection. Okay, 3 newspaper and 2 questions are there. This is one question, first question. After that one I will tell you. First you have to calculate this one. The number of people who read at least one of the newspapers. Who read at least the newspapers means what? At least one of the at least one of the newspapers means you have to calculate a union. So H union, I union, T had to calculate. Okay, union part you have to calculate. This is the technique you have to understand. At least one of the newspaper means what? That is union you have to calculate. Okay na? Okay. For this purpose we have to write the sets. Okay. So my dear students, so you have to write like this answer. H is equals to, let H is equals to set of people who read a newspaper H. Okay, and I is a set of people who read newspaper I. So with a dotted ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ have to write your own or have to write. Okay, ನೀವೇ ಓನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Same set of people who read a paper I. Set of people who read a T, newspaper T. Okay, so you have to consider like that. Okay, I will write the data by using this one. So n of H is equals to n of H. N of H is equals to what? So here in a survey of 60 people, no, survey 60 people, no. So therefore n of once again, so n of H is equals to what? It was found that 25 people read newspaper H now. So 25. Next 26 read I. N of I is equals to 26. So 26 read newspaper T. So n of T is equals to what? N of T is equals to what? 26. Same. Next. Over this one over. Next 9 H and I. 9. So n of H intersection I. N of H intersection I is equals to what? Is equals to 9. Is equals to 9. Okay na? Next 9 is over. Next 11. N of H intersection T is equals to 11. 11 H intersection T. Next 8 read D and I. So N of T and I is equals to 8. Next 3 read 3 newspapers. 3 intersection part. So therefore N of H intersection I intersection P is equals to 2. Like that, first you have to write the given data. Okay, universal set also you can write it. So N of universal set is equals to what? 60. In a survey of 60 people. Okay, now so like that you have to write all the given data. Okay, next what we calculate? The number of people who read at least one of the 2 newspapers. At least one of the 2 newspapers. Means what? N of H union I union T you have to write. That one you have to write. Union you have to calculate. Okay, so I will write that one. See, I will calculate here above. So what is the formula? N of H union I union T is equal to. So N of H, N of I, N of T. Okay, N of T minus N of T minus N of H intersection I, H intersection I minus H intersection I, H intersection T. H intersection T. So N of H intersection T minus N of T intersection I, T intersection I minus plus N of, so I will write here N of H intersection T intersection I intersection T. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so substitute all the values. Substitute. So N of H means 25 plus 26 plus 26. Okay, minus that one 9 minus 11 minus 8 minus 9 minus 11 minus 11 minus 8 and plus 3 plus 3. So calculate these values. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. So ಎಲ್ಲ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so you get the 52. So this is the answer of the first question. So calculate 25 plus 25 plus 25 what? 75 na 75 and 2 is 77. See 25 plus 20 plus 26 plus 26 is what? 77 plus 3 80 minus 9 plus 11 20 28 minus 28 so it is 50. So like that you have to calculate. This is the first question and another question is there. How to solve that one I will see. So I will tell once again. See my dear students, this is the second question you have to find out. This is somewhat difficult. So we can calculate by using the 2 methods. I will tell one easy method first, next difficult method. Okay, so you can do any way. See, what is the next question means? Same question only, second one. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 2 ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ, 3 ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್. ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, this is the universal set, okay, and newspaper H, newspaper T, newspaper I, okay, and this intersection, this is intersection, this is intersection, this is three newspapers intersection, okay. Next, so 3 papers, 3 intersection is what? H intersection I intersection T equals to what? 3. First write 3 first. This is the first intersection. First you have to write 3